Hi, I'm Sean, the Math Wizard, and today I'm going to show you some problems using sum and difference formulas. And what we have right here is tan times pi plus y. And what we're gonna want to do for this equation is we're gonna set it up with proper variables. And yeah, and so what you would do be tan pi plus tan y over 1, and this part is going to be minus. And some other formulas they use plus, but this one uses minus. So we're going to do 1 minus tan pi times tan y. Alright, so now over here, what I have is the unit circle, and what you do is you take the difference, you divide 0 over 1, so what you get there is 0 because the tan of pi is 0. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna plug 0 in there plus tan y over 1 minus 0 times tan y. So what we got over there is we got 0 plus tan, so that equals tan y, and then 1 minus tan y is 1 tan. Alright, y. Yeah, we gotta add that y in there. Don't forget that. And then after that, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to cancel these out. So what you can do is you can do since we have the 0 up here, this one cancels out, and we have tan y over 1. So what that equals, that's telling us the y value is equal to tan. So there we go. That's the equation, and yeah. Now we'll move on to a different one. Hi guys, now we're going to do a harder question. This is going to be a proof. So we're going to try to verify that both sides are equal to each other, and by doing this, you can check your calculations or whatsoever, that kind of thing. So first we're going to start off with cosine A over secant A minus sine A, let's see here, sine A over cosecant A. Alright, so in the end, what we want this equation to equal to is secant squared A minus tangent A squared. Alright, so first, how we're going to do that is we're going to get, since regularly you would move secant up to try to add those like terms, we're going to do the opposite.
So we have the equation y equals the inverse of sine of negative root 3 over 2. There's a couple ways to do this. You can either look at the unit circle and figure out which angle gives you, in the y coordinate, negative root 3 over 2. Or you can see that negative root 3 over 2, it can be in a couple locations on the unit circle. It's going to be in either quadrant 3 or quadrant 4 is where you're going to find it for negative root 3 over 2. In quadrant 1 you can find positive root 3 over 2, but that's not what we're looking for. So you can take a triangle here, and since the sine is opposite over hypotenuse, you can do root 3 over here, negative there, and the hypotenuse of 2. And if you do the Pythagorean theorem, you can get a 1 here, and then you can put that together as 1 pi over 3. Sorry, there we go, negative. And that's the answer.